Good evening to you. Cloudy skies for a while this afternoon have already started to thin out, and as those clouds thin, we are left with a very cold night ahead of us. Outside, it's 23 degrees right now. A key number there is that dew point. On a clear night when the winds diminish, we may fall about to that level. Dew point of 6. I don't know if we'll fall all the way to 6, but we'll come close, and in many areas should be down between 5 and 10 degrees tomorrow morning. The good news is the winds will be letting up, so very cold, but not quite as windy as it has been throughout the day. 19 right now at Marysville, 16 in Hiawatha, 21 Ottawa, 25 degrees for Junction City and Council Grove, and those are the warmer spots right now. The wind's starting to show some signs of relaxing around Manhattan and Junction City. Still 16 miles per hour at Holton and Lawrence, and it's in the teens with a 15-mile-per-hour wind at Marysville. And that drops the wind chill to 5. So we've got these single-digit wind chills. Many areas will be in the single digits this evening. So if you're heading out for the Monday evening time frame, keep in mind, very cold wind will not be entirely gone until later. Bundle up this evening. Bundle up even tomorrow morning, although the wind chills will be pretty cold all through the night. It doesn't get too much colder. Temperatures will, though. The winds let up. So this is a wind chill. Tomorrow morning, single-digit wind chills. That's about where we've seen. The difference is this time, there won't be as much wind. It'll just be that cold as you head out early tomorrow morning. Saw some clouds and a few flurries build up out of those clouds this afternoon. Most of that has been thinning out as a big system over the Great Lakes, funneling in all this cold air, wrapping around it all throughout the central and northern plains. That's the pattern we've been stuck in, but we are tracking changes. One of them is a warmer pattern that's building in over the west coast. This will gradually spread our way, giving us a warming trend, but your eyes may even turn to this next feature. We had a rain chance that'll be following up. So we warm up and then not snow this time, but a rain chance will be coming our way by next weekend. We're going to look ahead on Future Track all the way up to 4 o'clock on Friday. So dry all through the week. And as we head into Saturday morning, here comes some rain developing around Wichita, expanding northeast during the daytime on Saturday. Heaviest southeast, least amount of rain would be to the northwest, and then maybe a few more showers hanging around on part of the day Sunday as well. Tonight we drop down to 7. If we hit that, if we hit anything below 10, it's a new record. Northwest winds 5 to 15 in the evening will drive the wind chills into the single digits and will hold that way all through the night. Again, very cold as you head out early tomorrow morning, but we are tracking a warming trend. And you'll notice this upper 30s, even as early as tomorrow. We're back above freezing, 37 on Wednesday and not nearly as cold Wednesday morning. 42 on Thursday, 40 on Friday. And then that system that's still way out over the Pacific brings us a rain chance over the weekend. But also look at that. There's those warmer temperatures back in the 50s. Hard to believe that's normal for this time of year, our average, but it's going to feel quite a bit warmer when you take into consideration how cold it has been. And again, all that cold air that's been in place lately has really left these crystal clear skies. There's the sunset yesterday evening in Meriden from Belinda Bright. Some of the clouds overhead today from Dave Edwards at Hoyt. And you see that looking down that creek there near Scranton from Darlene Bogren. Lots of ice on that. Keep in mind there's been ice showing up on lots of the water. Obviously, as cold as it's been, there'll be more of it around tomorrow. It is still extremely thin ice, though. Just a good thing to note. Although we're seeing ice extremely early on the waterways, it is still very, very thin.
Especially with those warmer temperatures coming up, you want to be careful.
Absolutely.
All right. Thank you, Matt.